Hello, everybody. We are now on 6C. That is page 50. For some of you, this is not so interesting because it's all about music. So the vocabulary, maybe you need to talk about music sometimes, talk about traditional music from your country, popular singers, and things like this. But the theme of music, for some people, it's not so interesting. So we'll focus on the grammar more than anything else. There is a lot of listening. You'll need to do that from the website, from the English File website. But let's get started. Here we go. So part one is asking us to look at the photos of musical instruments and then write the correct word in the instruments column. We've got the accordion and we've got the bass, drums, guitar, keyboard, piano, saxophone, trumpet, and violin. Do you play an instrument? Did you play an instrument when you were younger? I've got a saxophone in my house, but I don't play it. I played when I was younger. I had a go at the violin, not very good. But I also played the recorder and the bassoon, which is probably what made me think I can play a saxophone. Now my saxophone is for decoration. We can listen to them. We can check the names of the accordion and the accordionist. A lot of them have IST or ER on the end. Okay, and you'll find that one out in a moment. What you need to do, though, is look at the pictures. There's the accordion, and he's an accordionist. Okay, so we can go down these pictures and we can look at the instruments. If you know the instruments, that's great. And then you need to know the names. And I'm going to put up the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here they come. Okay. And bassists are bass players. Keyboard players, we don't say keyboarders or anything like that. And the other ones all end in ER. Watch out for double M in drummer. And a player of a trumpet is a trumpeter. And the player of a saxophone is a saxophonist. Okay. And there's a little bit more down here about the names of the musicians. And also, can you identify which instrument it is? Again, I'm not going to play that one, so just check it yourself. And I'll put up the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go with the stress. Accordionist, bass player, violinist, okay? And pianist, saxophone, saxophonist have different stress, okay? There's not too much to be said about this one, really. I think you can take a little break. But the grammar part is the important one, okay? And we had this a little bit last lesson, okay? I said, do you play? And are you playing? Okay. With the ing form, we always need to be. So if you are doing it now, if you remember back to last week, he's an actor. Is he acting now? No, he's playing cricket. Okay. She's a singer. Is she singing now? No, she's cooking. Okay, so we need she is. We need a part of the verb to be. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of revision here. Grammar, be or do. Okay, with do, of course, it's the verb with no ing, and that's present simple. And with be, it's the verb with ing, and that is present continuous. Okay, so let's have a look at the answers. What kind of music? And we've got listen. There's no ing, so it must be do you listen to. This is like, so it must be I don't like hip hop. She, and we've got ing here, so she isn't listening to you. Are you listening to me? We've got play, not playing, so do you play in a band? And here, there's no verb, is there? It just says Adele from, so it's where is Adele from, or where does Adele come from? Okay, we've got questions down here as well, but I'm running out of time, so I will go to page 134 and we can look at the grammar there. Okay.